Hello everyone. Welcome to the Military Center channel.
The MQ-9 Reaper is the primary offensive attack unmanned aerial vehicle for the U.S. Air Force. Significant time recall, remote sensors, multi-mode communication circuits, and precision weapons. It provides unique assistance, abilities and surveillance to carry out attacks against viable, fleeting, time-sensitive targets. Reaper can also perform missions in the following: intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, close air support, search and combat, precision strike, friend laser, attack surveillance, preparation, target development and terminal air guidance. Reaper is part of a remote-controlled aircraft system. A fully operational system consisting of multiple armed aircraft, ground control stations and backup equipment along with operations and maintenance crews for deployed 24-hour missions. Build base consisting of pilots assessed to control aircraft and command missions, and air crew members enlisted to operate sensors and weapons and mission coordinator when required. To meet the requirements of the combatant commander, the Reaper provides customized capabilities using mission kits containing various combinations of weapons and payload sensors. The MQ-9 baseline system features a multispectral targeting system, which has a robust array of visual sensors for targeting. MTSB integrates infrared sensor, color daylight TV camera, image TV camera, laser pointer, and laser illuminator. Full motion video of each imaging sensor can be viewed as a separate or fused video stream. The unit is also equipped with a laser rangefinder or designator, which precisely pinpoints the target for use of laser-guided ammunition, such as the Guided Bomb Unit 12 Paveway 2. The Reaper is also equipped with a synthetic aperture radar to allow future targeting of Joint Direct Attack Munitions (GBU-38).